Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is still me, your baby girl, Anora Jennifer. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video. So guys, on this very fateful day, I was unboxing my air fryer and I'm so happy that I got this. I've been meaning to get it. I still have a lot of kitchen stuffs to get. So guys, this very fateful day, I went to I think 4 or 5 shops looking for a good air fryer, and eventually I got this, and I love the color, and the thing does not even, because I tested it there and the thing was air frying, the air fryer was air frying. So guys, I just got back from the chat. The day I made this video, I was so tired, but I just said, okay, let me just do this. Let me stop procrastinating. Let me just do this. Even right now, I'm making this video. I don't have strength. I'm tired. God, we just moved into this place today, but I decided to just do this so that I can do other video. And voila, this is my table gas burner. That's what they call it. So I've been meaning to get it. This is not the size I actually wanted to get. I wanted to get something bigger, but the day I went there, they said it's out of stock, and I don't have strength to come and start walking around. So I decided to get this, and maybe later I will change it. For now, I love this color. I told them I want this black and gray. Is it gray or ash? Gray. I told them I want it. Yeah. So I got this, which I've also been meaning to get. I have a lot of things to get that I want to get, but it's a gradual process. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Watch to the end, please guys. Help me to hit 4,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me leave you to enjoy this video. Peace out. Bye, and love you all.